Guys, me can't bother. It is not for me. Yeah. It's been a hot minute. You know me and my breaks. But but let me not say. Let me not say. Anyways, today's my birthday. Well, not today when you've seen the video, but today when I'm recording the video. And I look a hot mess. Let me see if I can show you. Can you see me? Anyways, that's how I look. About a minute ago, I was feeling very sad. Like, today's not a happy birthday for me. I did come with the intention of like have the gel and everything because I'm like I said, you know, give me here one nice little afro with the front well gel down and cute. But the day just wasn't giving, and I know I should be coming and say, "Oh, happy birthday," blah blah blah, but it's not happy. I'm not happy. I'm sad. I feel like there's just a lot going on in my life, and I feel like a lot of things are just spiraling out of control, and it is stressing me out. Right? I am stressed, but my family and I are on the 75. We're doing the 75 soft challenge, right? And a part of my part, I included like Bible study every day and like focusing on business and hobby for like an hour, right? So a part of my Bible study, I'm reading John, and I'm reading John 2, and I think it was verse 4, where Mary that tell Jesus say, "Hey, the wine done, you know," and he must say, "Woman, you tell me that far. It's not my time." And that was what actually brought me out of my little funk, right? Because not everything we need to react to at the same time, not everything we need to act at the same time. You know, we have to wait on God's timing at the right timing. So this video with me, I don't even know what kind of phone this is, but the quality is crappy. So until it's the right time, guys, for me to get a proper device, I'm gonna just have to go and bear with this. But anyways, back to the birthday thing. So the right time, you know, that verse is what got me onto my phone, you know. And then seeing how Jesus ended up turning the wine into water, and it, like all of that, and I'm like, all right, Chanel, all right, bring yourself out, right? So even though I still look like crap and things are still happening, I'm trusting God's timing. I'm trusting that. And then I was listening to this other guy, and he was saying that you know, we'll go in the car, either if we're driving or we're the passenger, and we trust the vehicle to take us wherever it's going, and we trust the other people on the road to not lick us down or come over the little white line in the road. I don't know these people from Adams, but yet still we trust them. You know, say, alright, them now go come over and lick in our car. I would trust the vehicle. It's alright, you know, go pop down, and all sorts of stuff. We take plane, we do all sorts of stuff every single day. I would trust these people, would trust these things, right? Why not trust God? Why not trust God? You know, say, I'm gonna have your back. You know, say God have your back, right? But why not trust Him? So, regardless of my circumstances right now and the situation and oh, everything just feels very overwhelming for me right now, I am trying my best to trust God. And that is something that I struggle with. I struggle with doubting. Like, and thing is now, guys, the thing is, time and time again, God come true. God come true. Even when I may put myself in a situation, because talk true, guys. Talk true. Enough time we put ourselves in some situations and God take we out, And when we are going in a situation and God say, yo, 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 don't go this, don't go this, don't go this. But you know the video there? You know the video there where I think there's a sheep, right? And the sheep jumping on like a whole thing. And the guy help out the sheep. The guy help out the sheep out of the hole, right? And the sheep run and go whoop, right back into the hole. That's how we are sometimes. Yeah, every time God take we out back, we put ourselves back in and so. But anyways, guys, I want a S24 Ultra by August, the end of August. So when the me get it. I don't know. I had an iPhone before and I find that I'm not an iPhone girly. I know they say when you go iPhone and never go back, like to Android. I don't want to go back to iPhone. I'm just not a and I just find that I'm not a Apple person overall. I don't like MacBook. I have a MacBook now. I can't. Guys, I can't bother. It is not for me, yeah? So I've had the iPhone for about 2 years and it must show. I'm excited to not get one excited. So I know somebody that have the S24 Ultra and I think the quality is really, 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 really good. So I think that would help with my content. And that is one of the reasons why I haven't been posting on YouTube, because the phone that I have right now, the quality is really bad. And I'm like, I don't want to post and the quality is really bad. However, I'm not going to just bear with the bad quality until I start out myself and I get a proper phone or something I can record on. But anyways, yes, I'm 31 today. Guys, 31. You know, this is not the video I came here to record at all. But I'm just thinking, there are a lot of things that I want right now. There are a lot of things that, hi, I am good. Uh-huh. Not today. Uh-uh. I not have no money right now, honestly. Yeah, maybe next time. Same thing. The lady said I booked for $300. I'm gonna do up $300. I beg. What I was saying, I'm 31 today, and I'm just looking at it now, and you know how much people live for 31? You know how much people don't have them sister to go pick up them penny from school? You know how much people can't call them mother and say, hey mommy, walk one, them and them mother in a tussle, them not have a good relationship. You know how much people can't call them brother and say, hey, can you wash my car for me? Guys, I have a lot to be grateful for. I have a lot to be grateful for. So even though I don't have what I want and I might feel like things are AWOL right now, I still have so much to give God thanks for. So why not focus on the positives that are happening and let the negative them around this? So tell God to start them out and leave it to God to start them out. Like focus on the good things. You know, they say what you focus on, it's, I don't want to use the word manifest, but when you focus on one thing, you tend to find those things happening more. So if you're focusing on the negative, then you always like find more negative happening. But if you focus on the positives, then more positives will come, right? So this is me focuses on the positive. So yeah. Anyways, whenever I come here to come preach, that I know that many come here. I came here to talk about the fact that today is my birthday, and it is not a happy birthday, and it's okay to not have a happy birthday, right? But it's okay to not have a happy birthday. It's just a birthday. It's okay to be sad. It's okay to feel under the weather. It's okay to feel sad and everything like that, but still be grateful. Anyways, those are my 2 cents for today. Please pray for me. And if you have the S24 Ultra you want to send to me, you can do so. Anyways, bye.